Alright, what's up guys? I wanted to do a quick video on medical kits, and there's a bunch of them on YouTube, so I thought I would show what I have and get some opinions on it and all that good stuff. Anyway, first off, I'll start out by saying this is the LA Police Gear organizer bag. It's got a pocket here in the back, a mesh pocket with Velcro here in the front, two zippers with it's not paracord, but it's just some I guess regular cord for the zippers. Let's see, opening it up, here is what the inside looks like of my medical kit. Let me go through all the pockets here. Alright, right off the bat, right here, I've got a compression strap, or whatever you want to call it. Basically, it's just a wrap for sprains to hold a bandage. You can use it, for a lot of things. I've got a light stick in here. This is 8 or a 12-hour chem stick, I don't remember. Let's see. I've got my medical tape here. I've got water purification tablets. One of these is the neutralizer. It's a good idea to have water purification in pretty much every little kit that you have. You never want to be without water. It's really important. Let's see. In here, I've got this is actually two pairs. There's four of them of latex gloves, exam gloves. If you're working on someone else, you don't know if they have something that might be infectious or a problem, so you want to be careful. I've got a triple antibiotic. I don't know if you can see that ointment. I've got a bottle of Germ-X, also for cleaning cuts and wounds. Infection's probably the worst thing that can happen to you. I've got this liquid bandage also, which is for bigger cuts, and this is also an antiseptic, which is good. Let's see, in this large pouch up here, I've got my first aid guide. It also goes along with my manual that I have. Let's see, I've got some non-stick pads right here. These are stick, these are just big band-aids. Some gauze pads in here. I've got a eye patch in here, which I labeled so I don't get it mixed up. Let's see, that's in that pocket. In this little pocket up here, I've got a bunch of packets of this Tylenol, a bunch of packets of that, and more Tylenol. These are little drinking cups for the medications. It came with them. They don't weigh anything, so I threw them in there. Tylenol is pretty important. If you do get an infection, a fever is the last thing you want, and it'll reduce fever, and if nothing else, it's a comfort item, and if you get a headache or something like that. This is urgent stop bleeding, basically like sport clot. It's this powder that you basically pour into something to stop bleeding. This is 2 applications of it. It's got a little emergency manual book in there. I've got, this is some Tide, and the reason this is in my medical kit is to wash off bloody clothes or just dirty clothes in general. This is actually a non-washing machine pack. It's meant for a like a bucket of water. So there's 3 of these in here, and you pour one of them into for what my kit, I carry trash bags, so I would fill a trash bag with water at my camp, just stream water, put the detergent in it, and wash my clothes. Each packet is enough to wash my BDUs and my spare clothes that I'm bringing. In this pouch, I've got some Band-Aids. They're antiseptic Band-Aids. Here's some more gauze pads, smaller gauze pads. Let's see, this pocket right here, we've got finger splints. We've actually got two of them. That one's a short one. This one's a longer one. You know, finger injuries are going to be probably pretty common as far as that goes. And the splints are something small you can throw in your kit. Let's see, I've got two things of moleskin here, which is, I consider this to be the most important item in the pack, because if you get blisters, then you're not going to be able to go anywhere when you're bugging out. This is a dressing, a full 5x9 sterile dressing. I've got one of those. And lastly, I've got a icy hot patch. There's actually three of them in here. And so that's pretty much it. Let's see if I can get a better view of the pack here. Let's see, there's the main pocket up here. It's got another pocket right here with some Velcro. It's got these two smaller ones. On the other side, it's got another big pocket in the back. A medium-sized one right here. Place for like an ID, plastic place. Two more small pockets. Another one over here. This is for like a pen or something like that. It's also got a hook for like a whistle or something like that. But anyway, that's my my medical kit.